In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to define setters with properties decorator in Python classes. This is a really useful feature in Python that allows you to control how a class's attributes are accessed and modified. Here, we are defining a class called student with a constructor that takes two parameters, name and age. The @property decorator is used to define a method as a property. Here, it's applied to the method name. This allows us to access the name of the student like a property or an attribute, instead of a method. We use name.setterDecorator to define a setter for the name property. This decorator indicates that the following function is a setter for the name property. In this setter function, we check if the value is empty. If it is, we raise a value error. If it's not, we assign the new value to _name. Similarly, we define a property and a setter for age. In the setter for age, we check if the value is less than 0. If it is, we raise a value error since age can't be negative. We now create an instance of the student class and print the student's name. As you can see, we get Tony as the output. We can also easily change the student's name using the setter we defined. After setting the name to Carol, we print the name again and as expected, the output is Carol. Lastly, we try to set the student's age to a negative value. As expected, we get a value error with the message age cannot be negative. This is because of the validation we put in place in our setter. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you now understand how to use the property and setter decorators in Python to control access and modification of class attributes. Keep practicing and happy coding.